Okay. Alright. Trying to get used to this. So, quick impromptu video here. I got this box in today I wasn't expecting. Is that proper thing? Oh, it's inverted still. Let me fix that. So I went downstairs expecting something else, but it ended up being this, which is actually a pleasant surprise. Because I've been waiting on this small little order, but you know, still stuff, for a while. So, horizontal again. There we go. Lock that in. Okay, cool. So this is from Hobby Link Japan. It's a cool place over there. I'm missing my knife. It's fine, I'll just pull scissors. So this is a smaller order, just like a couple knick-knack things. Because I wanted to kind of do like a reminder, kind of an update video too. I was expecting this to come in a bit sooner, and then I didn't know it was even in. It's kind of funny. So, some stuff here. I'm not sure how I want to display this. That I kind of want to hide. It's not cool, like a little stand. Okay, cool. So here we have some builder stuff. I ended up ordering a second of this, which is the same suit unit you already saw in the first video. So now I have two of them. I have the slash kit, and then I have some other stuff too, so let me quickly hide it away. Actually, maybe I'll show it now. Oh, a nice double wrap, because it is, of course, separate things. Oh, a little dented in the front. Hopefully it's fine. You have this. You have combinable build arms. It's like a weapon set. I have a second one of these, which I'll probably just give away to a friend or something. And then we have this monster of a box. Which, if you know what it is, you know what it is. But we won't be getting around to it for quite a while. But that is a cool box. I wasn't expecting it to be so big. It's almost the same size as the actual kit whenever it comes in, so that's cool. And, yeah. So what I want to talk about, I was rethinking some things about the channel, the whole video series, like if I want to do everything live. Let's open the slash kit box. If I actually want to do these things live, with two runners, or if I want to pre-record them. I was about to make another short video where I just test like different areas that I can record in, because I just bring the camera phone with me. So I can basically record anywhere, but then I'd have to sacrifice the ability to do it live, because I wouldn't be able to keep track of like your comments and stuff. But then again, I can't imagine too many people are actually interested in the series and stuff, especially based on the voting feedback here. Cool. You can probably kind of see from far away. This will be this will probably be a super quick build whenever I get around to it. This is of course a duplicate. And then this. Oh cool, there's a little strap for this one because it's so small. I have to practically cut that off, which I don't exactly want to. No, yeah. Oh, I fucked up the box super bad trying to cut this thing off. I could have just cut it. Wow, that's bad. See what I ended up doing? I ended up fucking it up and warping it. That's okay though. So we got, 3 Forerunners. Oh, all in one bag. 1, 2, 3 runners. And the manual here. So yeah, I think I might do, I don't know, like some side builds or something else in the meantime. I was going to do a practice build, but I'll probably make a video out of that really quickly. Maybe I'll attach it to this one. Maybe I'll make it separate. Yeah. So I don't know what's really going on with the thing, because there's a lot of kits, there's a lot of stuff going on in the background of my life and whatnot. So I don't know. Let me know if you actually want to see these builds live still. If you'd rather, like, I pre-record everything and then I can kind of do like a build at the end, like preview, review at the beginning kind of style. This thing too. Probably shouldn't have showed it off so early. Yeah. So let me know what you think about that. Hopefully this isn't too long, too rambly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks. And until next time, keep on dreaming. Poutine. Out. Peace.